How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? So we're gonna start this one off by talking about my hometown, New York City. I'm from Brooklyn, Bed-Stuy to be exact. This is the home of the 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, the Bronx, and Staten Island. It's the Big Apple, the city that never sleeps, and there's numerous things to do here. Some of the things to do here is sporting activities. You can catch a basketball game. We got the Nets and the Knicks stadiums here. You can catch a football game. We got the Giants and the Jets. Or a baseball game. We got the Yankees and the Mets. We also have the Buffalo Bills. That's located upstate New York. And we have the Islanders. That's a hockey team. We also have numerous basketball tournaments all throughout the city. So check that type of stuff out if you like that. We have Coney Island. People from New York know what Coney Island is, but for people who are not from here, it's a theme park. It's located in Brooklyn. They have numerous rides and activities and games, so check that out. It's pretty fun. You'll enjoy it. We have Prospect Park and Central Park. It's the biggest parks in New York City. We have activities there such as paddle boating, concerts, and zoos. Zoos is one of my favorite things to go to whenever I'm traveling. I love seeing the animals, love seeing the different color birds, and so on and so forth. We also have the Botanical Gardens here. It's basically a place that has beautiful flowers and all kind of garden type of things, forest type of things, So if you love nature and you love that type of stuff, go check it out. We have concerts here too. The concerts pop up all around the city. They have concerts inside of clubs and all kind of different locations. So if you're in town, you can check out some of your favorite artists. We have numerous artists that's from here. Jay-Z, Biggie are some of the more famous ones. We have singers such as Alicia Keys. So, if you want to catch a concert and catch your favorite artist, chances are you could do it in New York City. We have numerous museums: the Museum of Natural History, the Brooklyn Museum, Modern Art Museum, Sex Museum, and the Museum of Illusions. Check those out. We also have the MTA Museum, which shows you old trains and it shows you the transformation from back in the day up until now. We also have Broadway shows. If you enjoy those, you can come here and check that out. Me, myself, I've never been to one. Maybe one as a kid in a school, trip or something, but it's not really my thing. But if you love it, you can come check that out. If you're here for the holidays, we got the Rockafella Christmas tree, which is a big tree that's lit up. A lot of people come there. It's a good tourist attraction. And we have the Radio City Music Hall, which they have Christmas shows. Also, we have ice skating. So if you know how to do that, come to New York City, you're going to have a good time. When you come to New York, you got to try out a lot of our restaurants. Some of my favorites are Maples. It's a southern cuisine. It's located in Brooklyn. One of the things you get is they have this platter where it's basically 3 meats and 3 sides, and it's different sides and meats you can choose from, but it's pretty delicious. Peter Luger is a famous steakhouse. They have dry-aged steaks. If you don't know what that is, look it up. They also have their own steak sauce. Footprints and Peppas are Caribbean cuisine restaurants. In New York City, we have numerous cultures. The Caribbean culture is a big culture in New York City, so it's numerous restaurants, and those are some of the famous ones. We have this restaurant called Crab House. It's basically an all-you-can-eat buffet. You go there, it's about $85 now. The price usually goes up, and you can eat a lot of different seafood menu items and Chinese cuisine items. It's pretty good. Try it out. Make sure you bring your wallet because it can get a little expensive if you're trying to, take some of the food home or, get sodas and lobster and things of that nature. It tends to make the bill go up a little higher. Another one of my favorite restaurants is Burger Lobster. Basically, you get a lobster or burger or both. They also have these big, giant lobsters that can range from $250 and above. It goes by the weight. I never had it, but it looked delicious. They also have this garlic butter sauce that you must try. You must try it. Keep that in mind. Also, if you're just around, your hotel or visiting a friend or family, make sure you go to a regular corner store and get some of the items that we like to eat on a daily basis. Beef patty with cheese, cocoa bread also. That's some of the things we love to eat. Chopped cheese sandwiches and bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches with salt, pepper, and ketchup. Don't forget that part. If you out here, you definitely gonna want to shop. New York City has the best fashion out of all the states, in my opinion. And I've been to all 50, so I know what I'm talking about. If you're here, you must check out Woodbury Common. It's an outlet mall located upstate New York. We have 42nd Street and 34th Street that has numerous stores. You could just walk around that whole area and find numerous things to buy. We have Fulton Street, which is located in Brooklyn, downtown Brooklyn, which is another strip of a bunch of stores. We have King's Plaza Mall, which is in Brooklyn, Jamaica Ave, the Coliseum, and if you really want to spend some money, you could go to Fifth Ave. Fifth Ave is where you'll find all the high-end luxury stores, such as Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Ferragamo, etc. So bring your wallet, bring your cash, bring your cards, and go over there, spin a bag, and get some stuff and have a good time. We have a lot of sightseeing places. The Statue of Liberty is one of them. If you're from New York, we never been there. I never been there. But if you're a tourist, you definitely want to go check that out. Take some pictures. Make sure to keep your camera charged and, fully ready to take a lot of pictures. We have Highline Park, which is a park built on a railroad track. We have the Brooklyn Promenade, which is good for couples. If you're here with your girl or your boyfriend and you want to just go somewhere nice, where you can just go for a nice little walk, go to the Brooklyn Promenade. It's right by the water. It's peaceful. It shows you the whole skyline of New York City. It's perfect if you go there at night. We also have the Empire State Building. You must go there if you're a tourist. That's what we're known for, the Empire State Building. It's the Empire State. So check that out. Make sure you have fun and enjoy yourself. If you were wondering how to get around, we're famous for our subway system and our bus system. You must get a Metro card, which is currently $275, but I know it's going up. It's constantly going up. So by the time you see the video, it might be higher. But make sure you get a Metro card. Know that if you swipe one time, you have a transfer, which means you could get on a bus and transfer to a train or vice versa. Also, if you want a train system, be careful because crime does tend to happen on the train system. You might see some dancers dancing or some people begging for money, but that's just a normal everyday thing. Most people won't even be paying them any mind. But yeah, when you out here in New York City, just make sure you practice being safe, practice caution. Don't go at dangerous places at night. Make sure you look up where you're going and just enjoy yourself. It's a lot of fun. We have nightclubs and restaurants and things that stay open late, after hour spots and all of that. So just make sure you have a good time, take a lot of pictures, and leave a comment on this video as well. Also, make sure to check out a lot of our artists. We have famous artists and underground artists. I'll tag some in the comments because, it's too much to name off the top of my head. But if you're into hip hop and R&B, definitely check out people from New York. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and enjoy. Also, follow me on Instagram at FlyKing, FLYYYKING. Peace.